Hi there, we made this quick video to give you some close-up shots of this 1964 Ford Thunderbird Convertible we have available here at Modern Auto Sales in Tyngsboro, Mass. This car was restored about 30 years ago. It was owned by a local Tyngsboro, Massachusetts resident. This car was his pride and joy. He was an 84-year-old gentleman that owned this car, obviously, for a long time, always garaged, always maintained it, and was very reluctant to sell it to us. You can see here in the back the chrome is in really good shape. No pitting, no rusting or anything like that. Take a quick look underneath. You can check out the leaf springs in the rear part of the trunk. It's in great shape. Right here you take a look at the driver's side door jamb. Original VIN tag still intact. And as you can see in the bottom of the doors, both sides, there's no rust, no rot, no pitting or anything like that. Here's a closer look at the driver's side rocker. No Bondo, no rust.
And all the service records for every vehicle we offer for sale.
The best used cars in the area are at Modern Auto Sales in Tyngsboro.
This car was a complete restoration, like I said, about 30 years ago. Bright white leather interior, extremely good shape. Here you'll take a look at the center console. This particular car does have power windows and power locks. It also has the original AM/FM stereo. What you can see here is all the factory gauges. Everything is in place. Everything works properly. We did have to change the fuel tank sending unit to get the fuel gauge working. But other than that, everything else was working properly when we got it.
Used car from Modern Auto Sales, you can expect it to be in the best shape of its life.
We start with the highest quality used cars that money can buy. Then we bring
All right,
them
we'll
up
take
to
a
date
quick
on
look
all service
under the
and
hood.
maintenance in our state-of-the-art service center.
As with any complete restoration, the attention to detail
Replaced with new ones or measured to last as long as a brand new
is
car.
We fix
evident
from minor scratches and
in the
parking
video
lot
here.
dings and
You can
detail
take a
them
look
from top to
at
bottom.
the,
Then we shampoo the
we're looking
interiors
at the
and dry
driver's
clean the rugs so
side
they will look and
right
smell
here,
like new.
strut tower.
We hold ourselves accountable.
There
We
is no
back up
rust
our
or
claims by
anything like
providing
that.
condition reports
Obviously
and
this
all
car
the
is in
service
immaculate
records for every
condition.
vehicle we offer for sale.
The best used cars in the area are at Modern Auto Sales in Tyngsboro, just 1 mile south of the Pheasant Lane Mall, and online at modernautosales.com.
The convertible top is like new all around. It was replaced with the restoration. Here's the passenger side door. Very good shape. And like you would expect, no rust, no blistering, no signs of any paint damage at the bottom of the doors there. Passenger side rocker is great. There is no Bondo, no rust. No patchwork or anything right here in the passenger side door jamb. As we get up
When you buy a used car from Modern Auto Sales, you can expect
into
it to
the
be
interior
in the best
here, you
shape of
could
its
see
life.
that
We start with the highest quality used
the video
cars
speaks
that
for
money
itself.
can
This
buy.
car is in
Then
really
we
good
bring
shape.
them up to date on all service and maintenance in our state-of-the-art
We'll take a look down the
service
driver's
center.
side so you can see the body panels, how straight they are. No body work, no Bondo, no dings, no paint damage. And we'll take a quick look underneath. Everybody wants to see the floor pans and the rocker panels, but like the rest of the car, it's in great shape. The floor plans appear to be all original. Rockers are in really good shape. There's not even any surface rust or anything.
The best used cars in the area are at Modern Auto Sales in Tyngsboro, just 1 mile south of the Pheasant Lane Mall, and online at modernautosales.com.
Alright, we're looking down the passenger side of the vehicle here. Same thing, rear quarter is straight as an arrow. Paint is immaculate. No dings. No rust, no surface rust. This car is show quality. Obviously, it looks just as good in person as it does in the videos here. Let's take a look underneath on the passenger side, floor pan and rockers. Same thing, all original,
Buy a used car from Modern Auto Sales, you
no
can
rust,
expect
no
it to
rot.
be in the best shape of its life.
We start with the highest quality used cars that money can buy. Then
What do you
we
think?
bring them up to date on all service and maintenance in our state-of-the-art service center.
Wear and tear items like tires, brakes, belts, and fluids are replaced with new ones or measured to last as long as a brand new car.
We fix everything
Extremely
from minor scratches and parking lot dings
well
and
preserved
detail them from
1964
top to
Ford
bottom.
Thunderbird.
Then we shampoo the
We'll take a
interiors and
quick
dry
look
clean the rugs so
around the
they'll look
vehicle
and
again
smell
here.
like new.
Wrap
At
this
Modern
video
Auto
up.
Sales, we hold ourselves
If you're
accountable.
interested,
We back up our
give us a
claims
call,
by providing condition reports and all the service records
978-649-8855.
for
Again,
every
this is a
vehicle we offer for
1964
sale.
Ford
Best used
Thunderbird
cars
Convertible,
in the area are
and
at
it's available
Modern
now
Auto
here
Sales
at Modern
Tyngsboro,
Auto
just 1
Sales
mile
in
south of the
Tyngsboro,
Pheasant Lane
Massachusetts.
Mall and online at modernautoSales.com.